started up a little Universal Rocks water display here at Majestic Aquariums, just to give people a bit of an idea about what they can do. Imagine this in your backyard, or the entrance to your house, or entrance to your business. Really quite beautiful. Imagine that's in a garden surrounded by plants. Just looks like your own little personal oasis. Put some fish in there eventually. Pretty cool. It's actually so relaxing, you can watch this for ages. I don't know what it is about running water. Just makes you want to stare at it. Very calming. Yeah, if you want to really jazz up your backyard, or put a waterfall on your swimming pool or something like that, come and see me, I've got heaps of ideas. So you get the big ones there that go in the swimming pools, or large ponds. You get these ones. Get your overflow ponds like that one that flow down into self-contained ponds like this one. Pretty cool product. Very relaxing. If you want to learn more about this stuff, go to the Universal Rocks website and check out the products that are available, and then come and see me once you see what you like, and I'll tell you how much it costs. You'll never regret it. Looks pretty cool.